Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Volam 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen, an all-in-one solution for upgrading your car's infotainment system. This device is designed to bring modern technology to older vehicles, combining a high-resolution 2.5K front dash cam, a 1080p rear camera, and full wireless support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right out of the box, the Volam CarPlay screen comes with a 9-inch display, a 2.5K front dash cam, a 1080p backup camera, a Type-C car charger, an AUX cable, and a complete installation kit. It also includes a 64GB TF card, ensuring you can start recording your journeys immediately. The rear camera features night vision and waterproof construction, providing safety and visibility when reversing or parking in low-light conditions. The screen itself is a vibrant HD display with IPS plus 2.5D technology, offering clear visuals and automatic brightness adjustment to minimize glare during the day or night. It supports wireless connectivity via upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. This means you can enjoy hands-free calls, music streaming, and real-time navigation without the hassle of tangled wires. Navigation is made smarter with voice control. You can use Siri or Google Assistant directly from the screen, ensuring you stay on course without taking your eyes off the road. The adjustable stand positions the display for the clearest map view, making it perfect for long trips or daily commutes. Audio output is flexible, offering multiple options to connect to your vehicle's sound system. You can use the built-in speaker, your factory stereo via Bluetooth, aux, or even the FM transmitter. This versatility ensures crisp, clear audio for music, navigation prompts, and phone calls. The dash cams are another standout feature. The front 2.5K camera captures detailed footage of your drive, while the rear 1080p camera provides full coverage and assists with parking. Loop recording ensures you never run out of storage, automatically saving and locking important clips. Additionally, the Volam CarPlay screen supports full mirroring, including AirPlay and Android Cast, making it easy to display apps, videos, and other content from your phone directly on the screen. This feature transforms your car into a modern command center, perfect for both entertainment and utility. Installation is straightforward, and the extended cables provided make it compatible with most vehicles. The device also allows customization of the boot screen, adding a personal touch to your car's dashboard. With a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support, Volam ensures peace of mind along with modern technology. Whether you're upgrading an older vehicle or looking for an all-in-one infotainment solution, this 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen delivers a comprehensive package of safety, convenience, and connectivity. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If you're looking to transform your driving experience with a smart, feature-packed car display, the Volam 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen is definitely worth checking out.